Well, welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to Zellerfeld for sending these my way. Zellerfeld is at it again with the Nike team on the Air Max 1000 silhouette, which I am so obsessed with, this time in the beautiful lilac colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to be talking about the newest colorway for the Zellerfeld Nike Air Max 1000. This may be one of the best colorways that they have released this year in this beautiful lilac exclusive colorway to Zellerfeld. I'll go into details later, but we will start off with the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled it, and then we will conclude with how you can get these as part of the Zellerfeld raffle, how much they will be going for retail, and when the last day is for you to join in on that raffle. All right, so let's jump right into it. Sorry for the delay on this video, by the way. These were actually stuck in customs, which, as you probably know, if you get a package stuck in customs, it's absolutely so frustrating because there's nothing that you can do. And these have been sitting in the post office essentially for a while now, and they finally released them. So here we have them in hand. As far as this collaboration goes, the Air Max 1000, in my opinion, is 100% probably going to go down in my top 10 list for favorite sneakers of the year. I just think that this is so forward and modernized thinking as far as sneakers go. I do think that this is truly the future, and Zellerfeld is really tapped into it, and they are jumping on board as to where I think the future is when it comes to footwear. As far as the Air Max 1000 goes, I mean, these are starting to just be so iconic. They look amazing on foot. People just stop and stare at my feet when I'm wearing these, and they're so freaking comfortable. For those of you who are new and you have not already seen any of my Zellerfeld products that I've done on the channel, be sure to go back and check those videos out. I have done the original Air Max 1000, which was more of a cream tone, which I've got back here in this cream colorway. But I do love that they're mixing it up with this lilac finish as well. It's just so cool. Also came with a cute little note, which fell off my table here from the Zellerfeld team. As far as the look and feel of this as well, so this is fully 3D printed, which is insane to me that you can now print out an entire pair of sneakers, which these just in hand look incredible. The design is so sleek. It's got a nice wave, different textures throughout, and this is made with Zeller foam TPU. They're pretty much lightweight. I mean, there is a little bit of weight to it and structure to it, which I like, because some of the 3D printed sneakers that I've seen from other people's prints that they've made just look a bit more flimsy. They felt a little bit too lightweight, almost as if you wore them and they would fall off your feet and fall apart within the first wear. But Zellerfeld has really just made this iconic Air Max 1000 look so incredible, and it really just looks amazing with the lilac tone. We've also got just this really cool bright hot pink colorway where the air bubble unit is, which is really cool. It says future on it, Bowerman. And on the back, we've got that beautiful air, which is nicely risen on top of the other textures. But this is just such a beautifully designed sneaker. Again, it just looks like you're wearing a piece of art on your feet. We've got made in Germany printed on the inside there. And as far as the texture goes, I'll just open that up so you can kind of see what it looks like, since there's not really exactly an insole on there. And it does have your size range printed on the inside. So the original pair is also just a neutral tone. I'm just going to bring this out so you can see. It looks exactly the same. The only key difference is the colorway, but same exact materials used on this pair and same exact design, just the colorway is the only kind of real key difference. I love them both for different reasons. One's a nice bright vibrant color, the other is more neutral, but this one is a nice variation to that. And as far as the outsole goes, you can kind of see how cool the textures are on the bottom there. All right, so let's take a look at those details and then we will move along into sizing. All right, so as far as sizing goes, this is quite interesting because the first pair that I received, it was a size 7. So I'm typically a size 7.5, and these range in full sizes. So the 7 fits me perfectly. There's no additional space in those. This pair is actually a size 8, and I decided to wear some of my thicker socks, which are my collaboration with APTHCRY. And I feel like these fit really nicely with those thick socks, just because there is a little bit of extra room. But if you're somebody who wants a little bit of extra space and you run into that half size range like myself, I would recommend going half a size up. But if you're somebody who doesn't tend to wear thicker socks and you don't like to have a little bit of extra wiggle room in your sneakers, then sizing a half a size down probably would work better for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. This is such a fun, bright pop of color. It's almost like a very nice neutral lavender tone. Of course, it's called Lilac, but it's a really easy neutral purple to really style with. So for the first look, I decided to wear some Stussy Nike sweatpants in a bright pop of pink to really just play off of this hue. And then for the top, I wore just a fuzzy cropped sweatshirt. For the second look, I decided to wear some wide width denim pants in a light denim shade. And then for the top, I decided to wear my CAUS North Face fleece, which I feel like the purple hues really just match this to a T. So if you do have anything purple in your wardrobe, I think that mixing and matching different hues of purple tones will go perfectly with this. for the last and final look, kept it pretty monochromatic with my Stussy Nike sweatpants set in gray and black. I do think that gray also goes really well with purple.
So good, but no one's gonna hear it. We both know how it goes down. Let me take you home now. I can't wait to keep it. And this could be our little secret.
As far as the socks as well, just a heads up for everyone, I will be partnering back up with Seth and APTHCRY for a re-release of my classic colorway thick scrunch socks. So if you were unable to get a pair for yourself on the previous launch, those will be restocking in each of the different colorways. So for the styling for this pair, I wore the Shadow, which was that nice black tone scrunch sock, as well as the Snow pair, which is just that all classic white scrunch sock. They will also be releasing in the Slate, which is that nice gray tone, as well as Sand, which is a nice tan tone. Apart from those 4 classic colorways in the scrunch sock, we will also be releasing a brand new sock that I have yet to release. This will be a special edition crew sock with a glittery gold stripe. So definitely set your clock and your reminders for November 3rd for that drop. So be sure to set your calendars for November 3rd for the restock, and you can find those on APTHCRY's website.
Reach a little higher. It's time to get serious. Experience will take you from a boy into a man. Sunday is head up and down, run fly by like the wind. I'll stay glorious, notorious, 'cause you can't take the boy from Neverland, yeah. I keep trying to fly, 'cause I still think I can. Oh, 'cause you can't take the boy from Neverland. Oh, I keep trying to go for the gold star, impress my parents and bring home the straight A's, as if my life could be told in report cards, but kinda wish it could some days. 'Cause then I'd be perfect, I achieve it, but I'm nervous that I'm neither, 'cause I'm burning with the fever, and nothing's able to put me out. So will I ever just feel it, the things I wanna feel in? This future's not appealing, so maybe I'll just stay forever young.
As far as how to enter the EQL raffle for these, you can go on Zellerfeld's website, and the winners will be announced on October 21st. So do not wait, because these go so quickly, and I know that they are going to be extremely limited. So definitely enter that raffle now if you can, before the 21st, so that you have a chance at winning a pair of these. They will be retailed at $179. So good luck to anyone who's going after the Air Max 1000 Lilacs. Again, if you have not tried these yet, you are going to fall in love with this 3D printed sneaker. As much as I'm obsessed with my own, I can't stop wearing them. These are definitely showstoppers on the street, and it's just a very artistic looking sneaker that I'm ecstatic to continue to wear in different colorways. Thanks again to the Zellerfeld team for sending these my way, and thanks to all of you who joined this episode. If you joined for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on your way out and give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next episode.
My friends will now carry a briefcase, I'll carry a torch.